Hello guys! Welcome back again to my channel. Today is the day. Ay, hindi pa naman. Tomorrow pa pala. So ngayon, sasamahan niyo ako. Pupunta tayo sa Hoka Green Hills to get our race kit for the Santi Barley Run Leg 2. So if you've been following me on my social media accounts, makikita ninyo yung mga trainings ko, mga runs ko. We've been really preparing for this kasi nga hindi tayo nakasungkit last time because we're just 4th place. So ngayon, tatry natin kung ano yung kaya ng powers natin. And yeah, it's actually 12 o'clock. Na din tayo kakain. Hopefully may makita tayong gusto natin kainin for our carbo loading for tomorrow. Hanap din tayo ng outfit na susuotin natin. Pero kung wala tayong mahanap, assist tayo sa mga available na meron tayo. So we're here at Green Hills and lakad lang tayo papunta dun sa Hoka store. Hey guys, so I'm having a problem. I forgot the way. Hindi kasi ako madalas dito. We'll just rely on our Google Maps right here. Guys, I saw it. So, ayun po sa taas. Nakikita nga ba? 12:52. Actually, nag-sign up na din ako sa Leg 2. And I'm not sure if pwede natin maklaim. Pero I think it's impossible. Kasi yung mga delivery lang ata yung may claim agad. Okay guys, we got our race kit for Leg 2. Hanap tayo ng bibilan ng skirt. We're looking for a shorts na gagamitin natin tomorrow. What do you think? Color pink. Let's try this out. Okay, we got our shorts here. Guys, so wala akong maisip na gusto kong kainin. Wala akong appetite kumain mag-isa. So we'll just go somewhere. Saan tayo? Magagawin ng mga paan natin. Okay guys, we're done eating. I told you earlier, di ba, na wala akong ganang kumain. Pero I tried to beat my mind na kaya ko kumain mag-isa. And I did it! Okay, so here now, we wait. Okay guys, we're back at San Juan. So, pipili ko na tayo ng sabing. Just for the week. Supply lang tayo. Okay, another jeep again. Hi guys, so we're finally here, back home. Anyways, dala na natin yung kit natin. And nakabali na tayo ng saging, nakabili tayo ng shorts. Yeah, and it's 2:49, so we have time to rest. The remainings today, ang gagawin natin is, syempre, yung mandatory pictures ng ating kit at lahat ng susuotin natin tomorrow. Actually, I'm not sure what to feel for tomorrow. Basta excited lang ako na tumakbo ulit sa this month's challenge. Hi guys! I'm actually at the dorm now and I'm planning to take photos of kung ano yung gagamitin ko tomorrow. And nagkakaproblema ako kung anong gagamitin ko for the shoes. Since I have two, nakakabili ko lang and then tigo one day ko pala sila nagamit. I'm not sure which one to choose. So, I asked my thread friends and also my other social media accounts. I posted the story there and then my friend told me this one's better. Well, so I guess I would go for this gel Cumulus for tomorrow. Next time na lang si Dynablast. I think based on my experience for one day, comparing the two, mas comfy. Iba yung bounciness ng this one compared here. Pero astig yung ano kasi design na to. I like this one, but it's this one for tomorrow. Let's go and let's take pictures. Okay, so let's do it here. Hello, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So it's actually almost 3 a.m. It's finally the day kung kailan tayo tatakbo for the leg 2 ng Santi Barley Run. Let's eat banana muna. believe it. It's dark here right now, pero nasa labas na tayo. Nakabook na tayo. O kuya, kaway kayo sa vlog ko. Kaway! Kuya parati nagbubukas ng gate para sa akin. May ano po ngayon na, fun run. So baka yung mga usual na daan.
Ngayon, ano?
Hi guys, so we're at MOA. And it's actually 4:04 and I don't know, I'm not sure kung saan. Ay nako. Oh my gosh, it's already 4. So I think I can see it. Yun na ba yun sana? Kainis. Agad na agad. So at this time guys, I can see 10k runners lining up at the starting line. Assembly time is 3:30, then nakarating ako ng 4. And then mali pa yung napin ko, so I have to walk like 5 to 7 minutes. And the gun start for 10k runners is 4:30. Since I'm late, hindi na ako nakapag-warm up, just put on my race bib. Sobrang daming tao, kaya struggle talaga papunta sa harap. And thankfully, we managed to get there at 4:19, so we still got 10 minutes before the gun start.
2025. This race would have 15 seconds. Runners, it's always a pleasure to do this. 2, 1.
Let's go! Daming ka. 180. 1K. 426. I overdone our first kilometer and luckily someone saved us from burning. This is Coach Jose and he just happened to be in the right time and in the right place. Yes, you are right. He just became our instant pacer. To those who don't know what a pacer is, basically, they maintain a consistent pace for your run. Ang goal nila is tulungan yung mga runners na gustong ma-hit yung same time finish line or mahigitan pa. So in short, ang task ng pacer is maging human metronome para sa mga runners.
Go runners!
This is actually the first time na may mag-face sa atin, kaya nakaka-pressure. Iniisip ko na lang during the race that this is an experience that I can learn from. But this time, hindi ko na iniisip ang mapabilang sa top. I just wanna finish strong. For how many times I wanted to give up. Here we are, finally approaching the finish line. Thank you po. Thank you po. Grabe, instant pacer.
na po kayo pumila.
Got it, guys. Hey guys, so we're done. We didn't break our record today, but we were at our best. So, and thank you po pala sa nag-pace sa akin. Meron ba ako nakasabay si sir? Shout out sa iyo. Thank you so much. Grabe yung motivation niya sa akin during the race. Okay, so this time we will play Mauer.
Short distances ka muna, doon ka na focus ngayon. Okay.
Kasi sinatry ko naman yung 21, pero parang pag nag-training ako, ayoko na.
Diba? Lalo pag interval, ang hirap.
Congrats! Follow me sa IG and everything.
Next time, may mag-podium talaga na.
Okay, got our back here and the banana.
This progressive running, this race possible.
Kasi uwi na tayo. Grabe yung time ng 10K. Mga national athletes na dito. So, kurang bilis. 40 minutes yung third place, 39 at saka 38. Imagine. Kaya masasabi kong it was a really good race today. Kasi nga, pasok pa sa top 10. Diba? 6:57 na. We have a class today. Kaya kailangan na natin umuwi. So far, today was memorable so much. So that's all for today. Ito na yung ating monthly run challenge for month of May. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and see you in my next video. Bye!